Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Over the years, I've made plenty of videos on text to path. And I was at the APA last week, and Randy Allen, one of my mentors and my laser salesman for Epilogue, showed me this because in a real world situation, and I'm just using this circle as a path, but I'm going to take my path and I'm going to go to text to path and put it on the path. Wait till you get that red line. Now, let me tell you what, let's do. Let's make a duplicate of this. Set our nudge factor on like 20 inches. Let's make a duplicate of this. And if we break the text apart and get rid of our path, which is what you should do, but now you can't alter this text. If you altered it to another, well, it actually looked pretty good there. See, it just doesn't keep the path. So what Randy suggested, if you were going to say use this path over and over and print one job, what you can do is select it and go right click and take away the path. Now the path is still there, but it won't print or it won't engrave. So you could take this and see it's still there, because if you go to view and wireframe, or view and wireframe, the path is still there. Now, but what is neat about this, let's say you want to change that text to that text and it doesn't. It's because it's still a path, but you're not going to see it. And you could, I don't know, I really don't understand 100% why you'd want to do that. In case this was a customer and you wanted that size circle and that wordage, and you wanted to, keep that path, doesn't really make 100% sure sense to me, but it might have its application, because Randy gets to talk to a lot of people that are do a lot of work, and maybe it's helpful. And maybe it will be. Let's say you just want to send it to the customer, and there's a good reason. You want to send it to the customer, but you don't want them to see the path. You just take away the path, and then you could send them, that's a good scenario. Let's move that over there, and then you could make this one, back to some other font, and you could have the customer pick which font they want. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.